this. Now you're gonna have to draw something.
Can you say ew? Ew.
You're gonna have to draw something.
Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is a really low-key night, family night. It is Halloween Eve and we are going to carve this pumpkin. But we have to decide what kind of face to put on it, right? A green face, okay.
That's what a green face looks like.
Oh, I see. You did really good.
Get this. Try it.
You don't like it?
Gooey.
You don't like gooey stuff.
Well, that's too bad for him. He's missing out. He's a child.
Is he eating a seed? Yeah.
Show me more, show me more. I don't know if anybody should trust you with that knife. That is a scary thought.
I'm really klutzy, so this is probably not a good idea, but you know. Drop a comment down below if you're a Hocus Pocus lover. It's my jam.
Everybody's jam.
Nuh-uh. I put a thing up on my Facebook and Instagram stories asking about Hocus Pocus, and I think I got like 11% of people saying they didn't like it.
What?
I don't know if we can be friends if you don't like Hocus Pocus.
I know, the same people that dislike the videos. Whoa. Good work. I'm impressed. Did that with that big dagger, huh? It's pretty good.
Yeah. Now we just gotta light her up.
Light it up and put it outside. Whoa, got a candle in there.
That was great.
Perfect.
IG stories.
Gotta love it.
What's up, y'all? It's Halloween! What? And Asher keeps telling me no, it's not. Is it Halloween? Yeah? It is? Oh, that's the first time you said yes, it's Halloween. I keep telling him it's Halloween. He goes, no. And so you guys, okay, I'm a ringmaster, obviously. Asher was supposed to be a lion and he will not wear his lion costume. So, yeah, he's gonna be a motocross racer guy. And yeah, I guess he's gonna be Evel Knievel in the circus. So, to stick with my theme, because I'm big on themes, so it's like breaking my heart that he will not stick to my theme. But, you know, 2-year-old going on 16, so happy Halloween! Have a safe one, guys. Mwah! There's a pirate. I'm trying to tame this wild hair.
That one looks like, I think she's like a little princess.
Say hi! We gonna go get more candy? Yeah, that was easy, wasn't it?
Like Halloween already.
I know, it's like
Yeah.
easy. You wanna carry your bucket now? Yeah, now you do. You got candy in it.
Yeah, they put candy in that bucket.
Pick one out and put it in your bucket. You pick one out? A Kit Kat? All right, put that in your bucket. We'll go to the next house. Keep going. Oh, you got Mama's hand?
Look, here we are.
Can you wave to the camera?
Yay! Daddy's got his on now. Ringleader, number two ringleader. Who wore it better? Mom or Dad? Probably Mom.
Hanging on the legs.
Whoa.
Hanging on the legs.